Hello, my name is Kevin Forche. I'm the founder and CTO at MyndTek Limited, where we developed a really cool application called Data-Driven Therapy that allows users to manage and optimize their mental health by using a combination of mental health data and your physical health data. And today I want to go ahead and give you a walkthrough of what you need to do in order to log both your mental health data and your physical health data on a daily basis. So from our website, which is datadriventherapy.net, make sure that you include HTTPS on the start of that so that you run that securely. First thing you'll want to do is, assuming that you've already registered, which you can follow through our video on the registration process as well. Go ahead and click on the existing users link right there, and then we'll go ahead and log in as our test user right here with the credentials that you put in while registering. Let's see, so we're logged in. We'll get a message here, and now this actually does take us directly through to the dashboard initially, and we're going to talk about that in a separate video. This video, what we're going to want to do is you can go ahead and open up the navigation menu here. That's completely optional, and click on this item here, which is the import your data page. You'll see a list of different collapsible sections on the page here. You can just click on the title for each section. This first section is some basic health details. Also, like, you can track your weight through the application if you like. That is completely optional. I know some people are sensitive about that. This first section lists out just some basic general health things. So, like, if you've taken your medication exactly as you've been prescribed during the day, which I have, so I'm going to go ahead and check that off. And if you've had any headaches, pain, anything like that, go ahead and check those off. We're going to go through each of these sections one at a time, but once you get used to this, you can do this pretty quick in under a minute or two. So this section, if you're totally withdrawn, you're not talking, you're unable to eat, unable to respond, these things are relatively self-explanatory, and they are based on the Diagnostics and Statistics Manual that's used in modern psychiatric care. So these are all medically verified symptoms in order to be tracking for mood-based diagnosis. And so this next section, just some more of these same symptoms. I haven't felt any of those during the day today. No loss of energy or desire to work. I haven't felt withdrawn, no desire to stay in bed, nothing like that. None of these symptoms here are really applying to me. So today I haven't felt any symptoms. So I'm going to check off that one in section number 6 for no symptoms. And so these are some symptoms, like you're feeling abnormally wonderful or confident, perceptive. These are there's just a whole bunch of different symptoms in here. If you felt any of these at any time during the day, make sure to go ahead and check off that box, as that helps us to correctly analyze exactly how your physical health is relating to your mental health. And so looks like I've gone through all of these symptoms, and I've checked off all of these that I've felt. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this button here, Save Mood Data, and we've got this confirmation that it has indeed been saved, and that is now visible on the dashboard page. So the next thing we're going to want to do is go ahead and import the data from your Garmin-based device. Now this Garmin username is going to be the email address that you used when you signed up for the Garmin Connect application, and then we're going to use the same password that you used for that. Once we have a username and a password, we pre-populate dates for the past couple days. So if you're happy with those dates, then go ahead and just click on the import your wearable device data. It'll take a few minutes to go through, but when it does, you will be receiving a confirmation message. Right here, we've received the confirmation message. So that this tutorial demonstrates how to log your mood-related symptoms on a daily basis, as well as import your wearable device data into the Data-Driven Therapy application so that it is available for us to analyze and show you on your daily dashboard application. Thank you so much for watching our video tutorial today. Have a great day. Goodbye.